Mango is in season and they are all sweet and juicy. This is a plate of golden pancakes, sweet mango magic. This plate is a slice of sunshine.
Hi everyone, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'll be showing you how I prepare easy and delicious healthy breakfast for my family. So today we'll be enjoying breakfast, pancake, scrambled eggs and sausages. Let's get to it.
Hey dear breakfast lovers, let's whip up a quick and yummy breakfast. Fluffy pancakes and perfectly scrambled eggs in just minutes. First up, I grabbed my pancake mix. Yep, the already made kind, because we are keeping it simple and delicious. Pour the mix into a bowl. I used 3 cups. I added milk. You don't need any extra baking powder. You already have all the ingredients in it. I added sugar. You can either use milk or water. If you want extra fluffy, you can give it a good stir. No lumps allowed. I also used 2 eggs, vanilla extract. I use milk flavor and vegetable oil. Mix it properly. Poured in the mix into a bowl. Added milk. If you want, you can add whatever extra thing you want to add, chocolate chips. Then it was time for me to heat up my non-stick pan and poured that batter in. Wait for the bubbles, then flip. Golden brown perfection, baby. I had to brush the non-stick pan with little water before adding my batter. While those pancakes are doing their thing, let's talk in eggs. Then I cracked some eggs into the bowl, add a pinch of salt and whisk like I meant it. Pour them into a batter pan, low heat. That same pan I used for the pancakes, and gently stirred till it's soft, creamy and just set. Don't overcook. Nobody wants a rubbery eggs. Plate it up, pancakes, scrambled eggs, pancakes stacked high, eggs fluffy in the side, drizzle some honey, added some mangoes as fruits because mango is in season, and some extra wow. And there you have it, a quick tasty breakfast that feels homemade with a little shortcut magic. Who says fast can't be fabulous? Thank you for watching.